Ovente BGS102B Countertop Electric Double Cast-Iron Burner with adjustable temperature control, 7 and 6-inch, metal housing, indicator light, non-slip rubber feet, black. Heats up in seconds. The Ovente Electric Cast-Iron Burner is equipped with a 7 and 6 cast iron plate and powered by 1700 W, 120 V of power. It heats up quickly and cooks food evenly without any hot or cold spots. Heavy duty, the burner's body is made of a durable metal housing, which makes it effective in resisting high temperatures and fire. It won't easily warp, rust, or bend even after years of usage. Keeps the right temperature. This electric burner has an indicator light that illuminates once the burner reaches the desired temperature. Just turn the control knob and choose the appropriate temperature setting for your food, and the burner will maintain the heat. Easy to clean. You do not need to heavily scrub off the food drippings and oil splatters from the unit. Just wipe the non-electrical parts with a damp sponge or disinfectant kitchen wipe and dry. 1 year, at Ovente, we aim to make your life easier by producing top-quality housewares designed with you in mind. We have pledged to uphold all our offerings to the highest standards, and we back all our products with 1 year from the date of purchase from an authorized retailer. This covers defects in workmanship and materials. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.